Hello everyone, it's Nanay Jacin, your full-time work-at-home mother, and I'm here to share tips about work from home, virtual assistance, parenthood, motherhood, travel, and anything in between. Napaka-random lang ng video na to kasi meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo na life principle ko, and this principle has really helped me grow my career as a virtual assistant, and I wouldn't be where I am right now if I have not applied this principle in my personal life. As you know, sa mga existing ko na followers or matagal nang nakafollow sa akin dito sa TikTok and nanonood ng mga videos ko and live, I shared already that I've been working with the same client since 2018. So, I've been with them for 7 years. I just celebrated my anniversary last December. And mind you guys, siguro kung hindi ko in-apply tong prinsipyo na to dito sa trabaho ko, now hindi ko na-experience yung life na dinidream ko lang before, pinagpipray ko lang before, and I'm really grateful with my client. Kasi kung hindi din naman naging maayos yung working relationship ko with them, hindi ko mararanasan yung mga bagay na gusto ko or how I wanted it to be. The principle that I'm talking about is treating your client's business like your own. What I mean is, hindi mo lang tinitignan yung work mo as a virtual assistant bilang trabaho, kundi tinatrato mo rin yung business ng client mo na parang yun din yung negosyo mo. It doesn't mean na inaangkin mo yung pagmamay-ari na negosyo ng client mo, but you're putting yourself in the position wherein it's like it's not just work, but it's something that you really value. Kasi alam nyo guys, yung client mo, hindi lang yan yung nagbibigay ng trabaho sa'yo. At the same time kasi, pinagkatiwala nila sa'yo yung negosyo nila, yung business nila, yung puhunan, yung pangalan nila, even yung reputation ng business nila. Kaya yung bawat task, in my case, bawat task or bawat email, bawat deadline na ginagawa ko, I do it like, I'm treating it like if I have a business, I would really give the excellent service or on how I execute the tasks that are being provided to me. Not just that, kundi meron kang respeto at malasakit doon sa ginagawa mong work. Kasi nga, you're looking at it not just a work that provided to you, but also you're taking care of your client's business like it's your own business as well. Yes, nandun na tayo. Hindi na ako makikipag-argue sa part na kaya ka nga nandyan. You're being paid to do the job. But, you know, if you add this kind of principle that you're not only treating the job as a source of income, but also treating it as your own, you put value or you add value doon sa trabaho mo and eventually doon sa business ng client mo. There are a few benefits that you can gain if you value your client's business. Number one, mas tumatagal yung working relationship mo with your client. And also, another benefit is they are able to provide you their trust or to give you their trust, and mas nagtitiwala sila sa'yo. And at the same time, mas nagiging asset ka doon sa company ng client mo. And of course, sa sarili mo, it also adds value, 'di ba? So, kung gusto mo ring tumagal sa industry na to, I'm not saying na sambahin mo, magpakaalipin ka sa trabaho. What I'm trying to say is, you just don't look at the client as a source of income na andyan ka para sumahod. Kasi sabi ko nga, hindi na ako makikipag-argue doon. That's one of the reasons why you're there. And I mean, that's the most important reason why you work for the client is you being paid to do the job. But also, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng long-term clients, trabahuhin mo yung business ng client mo like sayong-sayo ito. Remember, work from home is not just a convenience, but also it's a responsibility. Save this video for motivation and follow me for more work from home tips, mindset, and growth content. Thank you.